the right hand only, starting on A. Use my thumb so I can pivot over it. Reach up for F sharp. F sharp, C sharp, E. Then it's B, C sharp, D. Opening phrase. Second phrase. So it's the same intro, slightly different rhythm, but this time up to G. Then C sharp, D, E. Third phrase, going up to A. So what I'm doing is I'm starting with my pinky, switching to my fourth finger, so I can play the next series of notes in one position. Staying there, A, G sharp, G. Next phrase. F sharp, F, G, D sharp, B. So the third phrase then. Final sentence. Again, starting with the same theme, same motif. This time up to A, to F sharp. Finishing with B, B, A, E, F sharp, D. For the left hand, we're going to treat the chords a certain way. The opening chord is actually D, but I'm inverting it down one. So I have F sharp, D, and A in the bottom. And then it's a little alternating bass, but I'm adding a little harmony note of the chord. Followed by part of the D chord, the top two notes of the D chord, going down in half steps. Opening phrase then. Okay, now I'm on an A7 chord. but we're going to treat it like this. Okay, so 3 of those. And then we're back to D. This time we're going to walk the D bass downwards. According to the D major scale. Okay, so the opening theme starts with the D chord inverted and an alternating bass, an A7 chord with an alternating bass. Kalikimaka is Next, we hop up to a D7 chord in root position. The full D7 chord looks like that. We're leaving this note out for simplicity's sake and because it might sound better. 4 counts on that one, 4 beats. And coming down to this, which is a G chord. Same thing, but now with a B7 chord. This is the full B7 chord. We're only playing these 3. And the next pattern is the top of these 2 notes coming down in half steps. So from the D7, and finally, closing sentence. So once again, that D chord, walking down in half steps until we get to this B7. And then we finish with a little bass on E, root 5th, EB, AE, and D. Da, 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 da.